Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about Packet Tracer 921 implement multi-area OSPF version 2. Version 2 uses for IP version 4. As you know, we have different routing protocol. Routing protocol help us to choose the best path between different devices and different network equipments in our topology and our networks, such as OSPF, EIGRP, BGP, ISIS, and also RIP. OSPF or Open Shortest Path First is a linked set protocol, and in linked set protocol, each router advertises its connected link information. For example, for router 1, this link, and this link, and this link, and send it to all the routers in the network. We have two forms, single area or multi-area OSPF. In single area, we have only one area, but in this example and in this activity, we have three area. When a large OSPF area is divided into smaller area, like these three, this is called multi-area OSPF. And multi-area OSPF is useful in larger network deployments to reduce processing, smaller routing tables, and also memory overhead, because there are fewer routers exchanging LSA between themselves. We have also three different routers here, three different classifications. We have backbone router that is in area 0, and also we have some router that has interface into different area. This is ABR, like R1, for example. You can see in different area 0 and also area 1. And we have also ASBR that connected to network and external, internetwork. And this is ASBR. Okay, we should check our also objectives. Objectives are configure multi-area OSPF version 2 and also verify and examine multi-area OSPF version 2. In part 1, we should configure OSPF version 2 on router 1. Process ID should be 1 and router ID should be 1111. Go here and enable in global mode, configure terminal, router, OSPF should be process ID should be 1 for all of the routers in the OSPF, multi-area OSPF here in our example, and should be same for all of them to communicate together. And first we should set router ID. Router ID, why? Because we want to involve in DR election, and in this situation you should set router ID, and it's better by administrator. Router ID will be defined, and highest router ID must be elected as DR. And about also here about network, advertise each directly connected network in OSPF version 2 on router 1. We should also advertise three different network that we have here. We have 192, 168.10.0, and wildcard mask is 0003, and it is in area 0. I mean this interface that you can see, this is in area 0. And we have also other network here, 10.1.1.0 /24. It means wildcard mask should be 255, and area should be area 1 because this interface is in area 1. And also we have 1020, 10120, and area 1. 10, 1, 2, 0, and 0, 0, 0, 255, 255, yes, 2, 0, 0, 0, 255, area 0. Yes, it's correct. And we should also configure OSPF version 2 on router 2 and router 3. On router 2, we have also here router 2, enable, configure terminal, and router OSPF that we have contract, it should be 1, and router ID should be 2222 for DR election. And we have 3 network to router 2, this network, and also this network, and all of them is in area 0. Okay, all of them. 10 to .1 .0 and 0, 0, 0, 255 and area 0. And also we have other thing here. 10, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3, and area also should be 0. And also 10, 4, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3, area 0. Yes, it's also correct. We should also hop in and jump in R3, enable, configure terminal, router OSPF, and process ID should be same, 1, and router ID should be 3333, and it will be elected as DR because this is it has highest router ID. And network should be we have 3 networks here, 192.108.1.0, also slash 0000255 because it's slash 24, and area should be area 2, and we have also 24 and slash 24. This is true, and area 2 also, yes. And what about other thing that we have here? Network. We have 10, also 4, and it should be 30003 because it's a slash 30, and area is area 0. This interface is connected to R2 and it's in the area backbone area. Yes. And you can see adjacency or neighborhood, and it will be full. Yes, and to verify and examine multi-area OSPF from router 1, ping each of the following remote devices in area 0 and area 2. this one and this one and this one. From router 1, we want to ping. Ping should be in the exec privilege mode. We should ping 192.168.1.2. Ping is successful, and also we have 22. Oh, 22. Yes, also is true. And what about 10.2.1.2? That also is true. And use show commands to examine the current OSPF version 2 operations. Use the following commands to gather information about your OSPF multi-area implementation. For example, go to router 1 here and show IP protocols. Yes. For router 1. Yes, you can see OSPF1 is our process ID and router ID is 11, and number of areas in this router is 2, and maximum pass is 4, and routing for networks, we have 3 networks that we have configured here, both of them 10, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 0 is in area 1, and also we have an in interface and in network in area 0, and some information about other devices. And you can see we have other also devices here, 444, 4555 and 9999. It's in the area 0, area 1 here. But you cannot see them now, but here you can see 3 also router here. You can gather information from here. You have also 3 devices here, and administratively distance is 110. This is by default for um, OSPF routing. Yes, and also we can also use show IP routes. See, it means the network that connected directly to us. This is, for example, 10.1.1.0, and also we have 10.1.2.0 here, and also another network here, and also we have local. It means router 1 interfaces 10.1.1.1 here, and also 10.1.2.1 here, and also 192.168.10.2. This is also local, and you can see slash tier 2, it means host. And via this yes, and also we have 3 OSPF and also 1 here. We have 4 OSPF that we have learned from other devices. And you can see, for example, we have learned 10 to 10. 10 to 10 is here. Administratively, distance is 110 by default for OSPF, and this is cost to access to this pass. And via this network, this IP address that connected 10.1, because yes, maybe sometimes we have other passes. And also serial 00 is the interface that help router 1 to access to this network. And also we have 192.168.1.0 IA. It means, you can see here IA, this inter area, because it's in other area, because it's not in the, for example, area 1 or area 0. This is in area 2, area 2, you can see there is no connection, directly connection between area 2 and area 1. And in this situation, router 1 can learn it from other devices and it's inter area, I mean. And also cost is 129, and access to this area happen um, via this also interface. And also same also process for 192 to 168 to 0 also here. Other information we have here show IP OSPF database also you have here. You can see network addresses that we have learned, and also we have 10 1 1 2. Yes, and also this is link ID, different link ID, and also some packets that we have uh, got from other devices, and it's all of the information. And also we have interface. For example, for we have different interface 0000. This is here is up, and this is in area 0. Yes, and this is in the this network 10, and 2 is IP address. Process ID is 1, router ID is 111, and some information like what is the hello time by default is 10, and dead time by default is 40. And after this time, if router 1 don't receive any hello packet, it means it will be died and it will be finished for router 1. If router 1 doesn't get and receive any information and hello packet from other devices. And we have also adjacent with neighbor 2222. This is adjacent directly. And also we have other interface here, G000, G00, and also G01, and it's also same information about process ID. And also you can see here, for example, this is internet address area 1, because this is in area 1, and also priority is 1, and also state BDR, and directly connected to and designated route is 9999, because the highest uh, router ID should be elected as DR, and 9999 is the highest, and it's in this cloud here, but I cannot see. And also we have backup designated ID and some more information. And for example, for 001 also we have other neighbor here 5555 designated route for these also, and show IP OSPF neighbor. You can see we have this router 2222, state is full, and the time, and also address, and also serial 000, this interface. And we have also 5555, and also we have 9999, and via this address, this IP address, and using this interface. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe me and support me and leave me any comment if you need any maybe question and something like that. You can send any question to me. Have a nice day.